Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
Just all of a sudden, both feet, I started feeling like I had stuff in my shoe.
Okay.
Nothing in my shoe.
Mm-hmm.
And then I feel like I'm walking on lumps or pebbles.
Okay.
And then it got kind of worse, started really, got to the point where it was hurting and I was limping. And it was both feet. So I went to the doctor, they did x-rays, nothing there. So I went to a podiatrist and he thought that I had nerve trapped.
Important neuromas?
Well, he didn't say that at first. He thought it was metatarsalgia. That's what he told me it was.
Okay.
Yeah. And so then, kind of I've been putting orthotics in my shoes, icing my feet, Advil, and then I've had custom orthotics in both feet, and then I've had a cortisone shot in each foot.
In each foot, okay.
So the pain is, especially the custom orthotics, is probably the thing that helped the most, but the shots really didn't. And so I've still got these issues in both feet. And
you still feel the lump there?
Yeah, I always feel like I'm walking on lumps.
Yeah, sounds like scar tissue.
Yeah.
So it was last September, October, now it's April, so it's about 6 months.
Yeah.
Okay. So what aggravates your symptoms now?
Walking too much on them, standing too much, especially being barefoot.
And barefoot. Okay. How much do you feel constant pain, or just your pain was weight bearing?
It's more weight bearing. It's more like the uncomfortable sensation of having lumps in my feet. And my problem is I know how to not aggravate it, but then I can't do the things in life I want to do.
Okay. So you're not really having quality of life.
Yeah.
You are limping.
Yeah, because the left is hurting a bit more than it was when I came in.
Oh wow, sorry about that.
So it's about a 4 to 5 now.
4 or 5, just walking.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. So let's do here.
And I'm not putting my palm on my foot.
You're not able to put, so it's worse.
Yeah. It's not while I'm doing them, it's then when I come back down again.
How much?
So it's about the same.
5?
Yeah, that was sometimes
okay. And it's more on the
left is worse than the right. Yeah.
And how much on the right?
The right is like maybe a 2,
okay,
2,
so
3.
It's worse.
This is a 4 to 5.
Okay, it's a scar tissue. Your muscle should feel nice and smooth like this. This is not perfect, it's still grinding. And this is grinding. You hear that?
Yeah.
It's all scar tissue. It should feel like nice and smooth like this spot. You know? So that's the way we know. So heel toe and walking outside a little bit. How's that?
Fine.
Your gait look much better. You're not limping like the first time.
Yeah, well, it feels a lot better.
Much better.
It's better this time too.
Yeah.
Maybe 1, 0 to 1.
Let's do heel raises. You can hold on the wall and tell me if you feel any pain. I'm kind of gonna count 2, 3, 4. Keep counting.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How does that feel?
Fine.
Okay, 10 more for me.
13.
And 10 more for the cameraman.
16, 17, 18.
Are you trying to show off now?
Oh, I thought you wanted 30.
No. Yeah, well, that's fine. We did 20. The first time we did like what? It was not.
I don't know how many. I lost count.
Yeah. So, you want to do 10 more?
I can if you want.
Okay. See that? That's nice.
This cuff is.
What do you think about ASTR treatment?
It's really interesting. It's kind
Because
of cool.
you had physical therapy.
Yeah, I've had years of
for
it.
years. Yeah, can you tell me the difference
Yeah.
between what you had before and ASTR?
Yeah, because I think with the regular PT, I mean, sometimes it's kind of painful depending on how they're pushing and massaging me. So it's sometimes a painful experience, especially when they have to, like my ACL, get my leg to bend again. It was really painful. But and other times they've really pushed. And I think overall I do get back, but it takes a very, very long time.
Yeah.
And like I wasn't expecting
1 year of physical therapy.
Yeah, I've had multiple times of going for a year.
Yeah.
So this is, I'm surprised at how quickly this responded.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it wasn't so painful. It was painful.
Yeah. It was fun. It was tickles too. All right. Thank you so much.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.